Hello, in this part I'll show you how to use the self-fracture add-on to break the monkey model in Blender. To begin, we'll need a plane as the base. Let's get started. By default, Blender's monkey model has separate eyes that can cause issue. To fix this, let's connect them to the head. Next, I'll apply a level to subdivision using the shortcut Ctrl 2. In edit mode, right-click on the object and choose Shade Smooth to smoothen its appearance. Now, let's add the self-fracture add-on. To find it, simply press the F3 key and search for self-fracture. Once we have completed the add-ons process, we can delete the original monkey. Next, select the base and go to the rigid body settings, choose the passive type. Switch to wireframe mode and select all the parts of the monkey. Select the rigid body and choose Add Active from the object section. Finally, press the space key to start the simulation. This will trigger the fragmentation of the monkey model. That's it. I just wanted to remind you to show some love by hitting that like button and subscribing my channel. By doing so, you get access to even more awesome tutorials. Thank you for your support.